Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Marisa if you're new here, and welcome to another video. Okay y'all, so don't mind my hair. I literally just did my first ever at home blowout with my hair, and this is my first time, so just don't mind it. Anyways, I'm doing a haul today. It's just like a random haul. I'm not even gonna lie, like right after Christmas Day, we went out of town and we just bought a whole bunch of different things. Some things I needed, honestly, for this weekend, and some things I just got like randomly. So this is gonna be like the most randomest haul ever, but yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into it with the first things that I got. So first things first, I went to Sally's Beauty Supply. I'm actually in the process right now of filming a maintenance vlog, hence the hair, and hopefully I get better at it, okay? But I went to Sally's because if y'all don't know, I do my own maintenance. Basically, I do all of it, honestly. Except for my pedicure, because your girl I just can't reach my feet no more, okay? But I do my own nails like all the time, y'all, and for the longest time I haven't been using Walmart products, like the Walmart little gel system that they have. And even though it's done me good for these past few months, I needed an upgrade because this weekend it's New Year's Eve. Me and my man got ourselves a little hotel room, and I really just want to go out and I want to feel really just it, okay? So I got a few more like luxury nail products or whatever. So I picked up a few gel polishes. I got the gelish top coat. I needed a new top coat because the one that I have, like I said, is from Walmart, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but my nails just ain't it right now. It only lasts like a week tops, and I need something that's just gonna last me a while because I'm kind of getting tired of having to do my nails every single week, and if not that, every week and a half. And then I want to go for like a chrome nail, but y'all will see that in the vlog, okay? And I got this really pretty gel polish. It's like a nudish shade. I'm sorry if my lighting is off, the sun is going down, so I'm getting played right now, okay? But I got this ASP gel polish in the shade Pink Sweetness, and I'm guessing you can only find this at Sally's because when I go online on Amazon, I don't ever see this brand, so I'm not really sure. But I did have one once before, threw it away a long time ago, but I should have just went shopping on Amazon, because this stuff right here, these little bit of products that I'm showing y'all right now, cost me almost $70. I also picked up a black one in the shade Black Beauty, and I wanted that because if you're gonna do chrome nails, you either have to go with black or white or like a very opaque color, so I had to pick up this one. And then for the Gel X nails, I didn't get any Gel X nail tips or whatever from Sally's because I already have some. Hopefully those work because I haven't tried them out. We will see. But I had to pick up the ASP Nail Builder Curing Gel. Now y'all, I tried to do my own Gel X nails months ago, and I tried to do it with regular gel polish. I don't know what I was thinking, but you need this. You need gel polish. It won't work. I mean, not gel polish. You need the Nail Builder Curing Gel because it won't work if it's not this. And I never knew that, but like this is actually a super thick gel. So I'm like really excited. I can't even lie to y'all. I'm gonna be doing my nails myself on Friday. Like I said, y'all will see that in the next video, my maintenance vlog. And then obviously, because I want to do chrome, I picked up the silver chrome. I should have picked up gold because the dress that I got is like a cream color, and I think that gold would have went better. But I'm thinking about doing like a mixed metals type of situation, so I'm not really sure yet. But this little chrome right here was like $13. It's way more expensive than anything else I got. So yeah, that's it for Sally's. Next, we had went to Famous Footwear because my son actually wanted some Crocs. I would show y'all those, but he has them on right now. But he picked him up some little Crocs. Okay, he needed some new little Crocs. But anyways, I ended up going to Marshall's because, like I said, like New Year's Eve is coming up this weekend, and I knew that I needed to get my nail stuff, and I knew that I wanted to do like a whole blowout thing with my hair and make it look like really cute or whatever for the fit. And the last time I went to Marshall's, y'all, like I don't go into Marshall's often, but I went with my mother-in-law, and I seen that they had like all types of stuff for like cheap. So I've been going back in there, and I finally picked it up. This little, what is this called? Hair blow dryer brush trio. The one that I was gonna get was from Hot Tools, but then I seen this one and it comes with two extra brush heads, and I was like, well, that's a steal for $40, y'all. And it was originally $74. So I don't really know this brand here, LNW Bio. I've never heard of them, but I just used it on my hair like just right now before I'm even filming this, and this is how my hair came out, but I'll explain that in the vlog, okay? So it came with 3 different things. Basically, you get 3 different things. This is how it comes. It has hair all up in it because I just got done doing my hair. For it being $40, it kind of did. It did the job. But it has the interchangeable heads, super easy to put on. So it has that one. And then if you want like more of a tighter curl, you use this one. Now the only reason I got this is because I've been seeing Aaliyah's Face do her own hair with like this one, but she has the Amika one. And I was like, you know what? I just love the way y'all have been doing y'all's hair, like the layers, the curtain bangs, like it's just looking so cute. And I'm gonna be scheduling myself another hair appointment soon before I have the baby. So I'm thinking like maybe in the beginning of February, because my hair needs to be cut and I really would like to add some nice little layers and everything into my hair too. So I picked that up. Now next, when I tell y'all this is random, this is very random. So fun fact, last year, well these past few years, I have been collecting so much Christmas stuff, and last year I decided to pack it all up after Christmas and put it in my grandpa's garage. He cleaned out his garage, y'all. He threw away every single thing I collected. I'm talking about hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of Christmas stuff. So this year I literally had to like start just slowly rebuying things again. But I was like, you know what? Go to Marshall's. And my husband was like, look at the Christmas decorations are 50% off. And I picked up some stuff, okay? Now, if y'all don't know, I like glass ornaments because I feel like they're just collectibles over the years. Like, I just like collecting glass ornaments. That's just me. But I picked up these right here, silver ones, very pretty. These are heavy. They were $15. I got them for $7.50. I would take them out of the box, but like I don't want them to break. And they only had a few of them left, so I was like, you know what? I have to. And I'm usually the one that does like gold, green, like traditional colors on the Christmas tree. And then I got these right here, gold ones. They're so pretty. They look very antique-ish, if that makes sense. I like whenever stuff looks very like it's antique or whatever. And I got these pretty gold ones. Oh my god, I'm so excited for next year to be putting that on the Christmas tree now that I have 2 Christmas trees. So I'm thinking one will go in my son's room and one will go in the living room. Obviously theirs is gonna have to be plastic because ain't no way I'm gonna do glass. And then I also picked up these right here. I had to pick these up because y'all, this teardrop one was like so pretty, and I had a few teardrop ones that I had packed up last year, and they all got thrown away, all of them. So of course I had to pick up the one with the red and green and the like pretty decorative ones because it was just calling my name. I had to. And then the last thing, no, actually the last two things I got from Marshalls. One of them is a Christmas ornament. It's the little photo ornament for like the baby or whatever. Whenever it's his first Christmas, I wanted to put his picture in it. I have a few of my oldest son, and I was like, this is really cute. So it was only $2. I had to get it. And then y'all, the grand finale for Marshalls, okay? For Marshalls, ooh. They said it was $15. I was like, let's get it. We have to get it. Hopefully the lighting isn't off because the sun is going down very fast. I was trying to film this so fast. My hair took forever. So I'm sorry if the lighting is off. But the last thing I got from Marshalls, which is something that I'm like so excited about. In my hometown, they used to have this huge mailbox thing you can put your letters in, like right next to the post office. Something like this, but like really big. It hold like a lot. And they took it away, so they haven't been having it these past few years. And I seen this and I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. I need to get it. So I got it. So whenever, you know, next year for Christmas or whatever, my sons can put their letters in here. And the lid does come off, like it is glass, so I'm like so afraid to drop this. But not only that, like I feel like you can also put cookies in here or something, you know what I mean? Just so it doesn't hold the letters. Like once Santa takes the letters, you can put some cookies in here. So I'm very excited about that. I have to wrap it up right after this because I'm gonna take down my Christmas tree and pack up everything so we can go put it in the storage, because I ain't leaving it nowhere this time. Everything's going in a storage, okay? Right, so the last place that we went, well, we actually went to a few places before we went to Target, but my husband was like, we gotta stop at Target. We need to get more baby stuff, which is true. We've gotten mainly all of the big stuff, like the car seat stroller combo, the bassinet, and all of that. But we do need a few other big things, and of course we're stocking up on clothes. Not too much newborn clothes, to be honest. We're like doing it in age groups, newborn 0 to 3, 3 to 6, you know what I mean. So we went to Target and picked up some cute little onesies and stuff. This is a newborn set because I literally completely forgot that he needs sleeping clothes. Like I have a few little sleeping clothes or whatever, but like little jumpers like this is so cute. And I just thought it was so cute. I love the colors. And the little baby blue one, what? And this is by the brand Cloud Island. Yeah, by the brand Cloud Island. And I just thought it was just so cute. Like a cute little two-piece or whatever for when after I take my bath or whatever, or like it's a little cold because he is due in March, so I think it's gonna be a little cold in those months. And then y'all, oh my god, I picked up some cute little t-shirts. I think they're so cute because they're t-shirt and like baby form, like white. So it comes with the white and gray stripe, the gray one, the like mint green, and then a dark gray. Like this is just so cute. I had to get these right here. I don't even say the price on them. I do not know the price, but this is 0 to 3 because, like I said, we're kind of spacing it out a little bit. And I got this, and I was like, you know what? He needs pants. So I ended up getting this little 3-piece right here, newborn also. Oh, no. Well, you know what? It can go together, maybe. This is newborn though. But no, anyways, I ended up getting these. I completely forgot to get 0 to 3. I'm gonna have to remember that whenever I go back to get 0 to 3 for these shirts here. But yeah, I don't know how to set my mind, but anyways, next I got these basic little onesies. I always feel like I don't really want to put like very dressy clothes on him all the time. I really do feel like little basic stuff like this is really good because, you know, obviously babies throw up and poop and all that. So I got this set obviously, and then I got these to go with this. Just 3 little pants or whatever, gray, a bluish, and then this cute little design right here. I'm trying not to go for like much designs like this, you know, like I want like very cute neutral pieces, and then I want like cute little statement pieces for him, just in case like if we go somewhere or whatever. I just want him to look so cute. I just want him to look so cute. Okay, and then oh my god, okay, so when I seen this I was like, I have to get it. I don't know why I've been gravitating towards green a lot lately. Like this whole year I've just been doing green. I don't know, but I had to pick up this cute little set, this cute little newborn set. And I have so many socks and like little shoes or whatever. So much stuff. I have it in my storage right now. I would show y'all, but it's in the storage. But I got a whole bunch of other stuff too. And I just thought it was so cute because it's like this waffle. I don't know. Can y'all see? It's like this waffled type of material. Pants, the pants and the shirt, and then obviously it has the little white on the ends. I thought that was so cute. I had to. And then my husband seen this. Now y'all know how guys are, how dads are. He's seen this. If y'all don't know, we're very, very into Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, all of that. We're into like that type of stuff. I don't know, but that's just the stuff that we're into. And so he seen this and he was like, hey, we need to get this because it's Jurassic Park. And it was 3 to 6 months, and I'm like, okay, yeah, we can go ahead and start getting like stuff whenever he gets older. And so, I mean, 3 to 6 months old, this is how big baby is, 3 to 6 months. My nephew ain't even this big, and he's 3 months. Do they grow that fast? I don't even remember. But it comes with this cute little one right here, which I should have gotten like some little pants or something to go with. So now that I know that, I'm gonna have to get pants or like shorts for the other ones, and pants or shorts for this, because I don't know if it's gonna be hot or like warm or cold in March. This is Texas. I live in Texas, so it's just whatever. Okay, it's whatever you get. It comes with this one right here. And then it also comes with this cute little one right here, which I kind of like this one because I like the colors. But yeah, so that is the end of my little mini random haul. Yeah, I just got a whole bunch of random stuff. And I ended up posting some of the baby stuff on TikTok, and a lot of people have just been viewing that video. I don't know, but I'm kind of enjoy the little random stuff that I get, so I'll probably do more often. I want to go on Amazon and get like a whole bunch of different random things. Am I the only one that's like that? You just get random things that just don't go? I'm like that. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to look out for my maintenance vlog, which will be up after this one, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.